Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best voice recorder apps for Android, helping you find the perfect tool to capture your audio. We'll break down features and show you exactly how they look and feel. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Otter AI Transcribe voice notes. This highly rated app, with a 4.5 rating from over 22,000 reviews, is designed to be your AI meeting assistant, recording audio, taking notes, and transcribing voice summaries so you never have to worry about missing important details. Here are 3 standout features. Use Otter AI Chat to get answers, collaborate, and generate content. This allows you to interact with your transcripts, making it easy to find specific information or even draft follow-up emails. Record audio and follow the live transcript. You can watch the words appear on screen in real time as you speak, providing an immediate visual record of your conversation. Capture notes for virtual or in-person meetings. Whether you're in a Zoom call or a boardroom, Otter AI can take comprehensive notes for you, including automated slide capture for virtual meetings. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. Upon opening the app, you'll land on the home menu, which provides an overview of your recordings and activity. From there, you can navigate to different channels, which allow for instant chat and organization of various topics. The prominent microphone icon is your go-to for starting a new recording with just one tap. For more advanced interactions, you can tap on AI Chat to engage with Otter's AI capabilities, asking questions about your notes or generating new content. Finally, the Accounts section lets you manage your settings, subscription, and personal preferences within the app. At number 4 on our list, we have Smart Voice Recorder, a free and easy-to-use audio recorder for Android. It boasts a 4.4 rating from an impressive 442,000 reviews. This app is designed for high-quality, long-time recordings with a focus on simplicity. Here are 3 standout features. Clean and simple user interface. The app offers a straightforward and intuitive design for ease of use. Highest possible audio quality. It ensures your recordings capture clear and crisp sound. Skip the silence on the fly. This clever feature shortens recordings by omitting periods of silence, perfect for capturing specific moments without unnecessary gaps. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app's user interface. Upon opening, you're greeted with the home menu, providing a clear overview. Tapping the 3 dots icon at the top right reveals additional options and settings. The skip silence icon allows you to toggle the smart silence skipping feature. To begin recording, simply press the prominent microphone icon. Once recording, you'll see the recording options. Here you can see all the recording files listed. At number 3 on our list is Dolby On, record, audio, and music. This app, boasting a 4.2-star rating from 22,000 reviews, transforms your phone into a powerful recording tool. It's designed for creators, allowing you to record songs, podcasts, voice memos, and more, all with incredible Dolby audio quality. Here are 3 standout features. Get clear, crisp, high-quality audio instantly. This app uses cutting-edge Dolby technology to give you amazing sound with just one tap. A powerful, yet simple tool for creators. It offers a suite of automatic studio effects, like noise reduction and EQ, making professional-sounding recordings easy. Effortless audio perfection. Say goodbye to background noise and expensive equipment. Dolby On handles the complex processing for you. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app's interface. Upon opening, you'll see the home menu, which is your central hub for all recordings. To start a visual project, you can tap the record video icon, allowing you to capture both audio and video simultaneously. If you're looking to share your sounds in real time, the live stream icon will enable you to broadcast directly. For customizing your recording experience, the settings icon provides access to various audio enhancements and preferences. And finally, the large, prominent microphone icon is your go-to for starting a new audio recording with Dolby's powerful processing at your fingertips. At number 2 on our list, we have ASR Voice Recorder. This highly rated sound and voice recording app, with a 4.2-star average from over 52,000 reviews, is designed to effortlessly capture meetings, notes, lessons, songs, or ideas. Here are 3 standout features. Multiple recording formats. It supports a wide range of formats like MP3, WAV, OGG, and FLAC, giving you flexibility for your audio files. Cloud upload integration. Seamlessly upload your recordings to popular cloud services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive for easy access and backup. Gain control and skip silence. Fine-tune your recording's volume with gain adjustment and automatically skip silent sections for more efficient audio capture. Now let's take a look at the user interface. Upon opening the app, you'll likely see the All Recording icon, which provides quick access to all your saved recordings, neatly organized for easy browse. Next, we can explore the Adjust Gain option. Tapping this allows you to manually increase or decrease the microphone's input sensitivity, helping you capture audio at the perfect volume regardless of your environment. Pressing the pencil icon typically brings up editing options, where you can modify your recordings, such as trimming unwanted parts or adding notes. The 3 dots icon, a common UI element, usually indicates a menu with more options. Here, you might find settings for recording quality, playback speed, or even sharing your audio files. Finally, the prominent Voice Records icon is your central button for starting a new recording. A simple tap will begin capturing audio, making it easy to record on the go. At number 1 on our list, we have Easy Voice Recorder. This app, boasting a 4.3 rating from over 571,000 reviews, is your everyday companion for capturing important moments. From meetings and personal notes to classes and songs, all without time limits. Here are 3 standout features. Audio and Voice Recorder. Easily record various audio from lectures to musical ideas. High quality sound, capture clear and crisp audio, even from a distance. Listen with a tap. Quickly access and play back your recordings with ease. Now let's take a look at the app's user interface. Upon opening the app, you land on the home menu, which displays your recorded audio files. Tapping the 3 dots icon opens a side navigation panel with settings and other app options. Next, we can see the 3 lines menu icon at the top, which, when tapped to a recording, reveals options like sharing, renaming, or deleting that specific file. Below the recordings, you'll find the Listen button, allowing you to play selected audio. And finally, the prominent microphone icon at the bottom is your go-to for instantly starting a new audio recording. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel.